Nessus on a Mac OS host. After downloading the gzipped file from the Tenable support portal, the first step is to unzip the file by double-clicking it. Next, double-click on the unarchived .dmg file. Locate Nessus in Finder and double-click on the package to install it. The Nessus server installer will display. Read the instructions and then click on Continue. Read the license agreement carefully and click Continue. If you accept the license agreement, click Agree. After accepting the license agreement, you need to initiate the installation process. Do so by clicking on Install. Provide administrative level credentials to complete the installation process. The Nessus service will start automatically after install. Upon completion of the installation process, you will see this summary screen.